Hi, my name is Annie, and I'm here to talk about Cerebro Voice, the project that I've been working on with my team for the Hackaday project. I'm going to talk about the project, but later on, my team members will be introducing themselves. So, what is Cerebro Voice? It's a silent speech recognition device. What is silent speech recognition? So what we're doing is we're gathering biometric signals directly from the vocal cords, and we're translating that into words and sentences via machine learning. Let me show you our proof of concept first. So over here is our stationary data acquisition rig, and what we have is a high-end acoustic preamplifier. We have that connected to cables, and we also have these electrodes here that are going to be gathering the EMG signals. And what we did is we 3D printed some electrode holders to attach to these cables and identified places around the neck to place these electrodes. So this is what we're doing to actually gather the data. But once we've gathered the data, what we do is we feed that into a convolutional neural network to translate it into words and sentences. So once we actually got some positive results from our model, that gave us the confidence to move forward. But why do we even care about silent speech recognition? Well, so we all have smartphones, right? And in our smartphones, we have personal voice assistants. There's a Google Assistant, and in my case, I have an iPhone, so it's Siri. Say I want to ask Siri a question. Hey Siri, how do I exit BIM? So that's a bit of an embarrassing question for me. But with subvocal recognition, I could ask Siri in a one-to-one relationship without everyone else hearing my embarrassing questions. That solves the problem of privacy. Second thing, so what's one of the top concerns of voice recognition today? It's accuracy rates, especially in noisy environments. By pairing up subvocal recognition with traditional voice recognition, we can get much higher accuracy rates, because with subvocal recognition, we're gathering the data directly from your vocal cords, and in that case, noise doesn't matter. The third thing is authentication. So say I want to make an e-commerce transaction hands-free. If I were able to actually layer on another form of authentication, such as my unique biometrics data, that transaction would be so much more secure. So those are some reasons why we really want to bring this project to life. I mentioned our proof of concept earlier and how we got positive results from that. Yeah, right now our model is getting about 60% accuracy on subvocal recognition, and when we pair up subvocal recognition with traditional, we're getting up to 98% accuracy on a limited vocabulary set. So since we have the confidence to move forward, what we've been doing now is playing around and tinkering with different things to try and get a mobile prototype going. So this is what that looks like here. But our project doesn't actually need to be limited by say like plastic or metal, right? We'd love to even explore conductive ink. So these are some sketches where we're thinking about what if we could make temporary conductive ink tattoos or stickers and affix that directly to your skin and have that read your subvocal thoughts. Yeah. To finish off, I'd like to give you a quote from Arthur C. Clarke, where he says, any sufficiently advanced form of technology is indistinguishable from magic. Thank you. And now I'll have my team introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Alexandra Fedorova. I was born in Ukraine and I moved to US a couple of years ago. I started programming when I was 13 years old, and I was fascinated how you can build things from scratch. I'm very interested in the field of machine learning, and I'm very excited to participate in the Hackaday challenge with our project Cerebro Voice to help facilitate people's lives.
Hi guys, I'm Taylor. I lived in Taiwan and the US. I majored in industrial design. I'm really passionate about drawing, making, and building stuff. My dream work is to work with software and hardware, thus leading up to this project, Cerebro Voice. where we get to experiment on silent voice recognition with EMG and machine learning. I'm really happy to be a part of this project and be in the Hackaday competition. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Annie. I got my first degree in communications, which led me to working with tech companies from a business perspective. But a few years ago, I decided that I wanted to be the one actually building tech, which led me to 42 and 42 Rebel Lab, where I've been immersed in learning about hardware, prototyping, and machine learning. I've been working on the Cerebro Voice project and really excited to be part of Hackaday.
Hey guys, my name is Daniel Goncharov. I got my degree in applied math back from Russia, and I'm currently lead of 42 Rebel. So in past 4 months, me and my team were building this Cerebro Voice project. This project is our silent speech recognition. It led us to practice in hardware design, software, and machine learning. And I think this project is perfect for Hackaday challenge.